Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video I will tell you how to use multiple Roblox account at the same time. Is this possible that you can use the multiple Roblox account at the same time? I have facing this problem from a long time. So in today's video I will tell you how you can fix this problem. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel so we can upload daily informative and knowledgeable content for you guys. So most I can get is 2 account, means you can use at the same time in a device with the standard client and one with Microsoft client. There used to be a hack that let you have multiple of the same client time, but it stopped working for some user. For after a while you can try that method that you can use multiple. You have a multiple of the same client type, and this will help you to fix the problem. So I have tried this method and I can get 2 account, and I need to 2 account that time, and one with the standard client and one with the Microsoft client, and this method works for me. I hope this will also work, and for many users this method is working. You need to try this method and a hack that let you have a multiple of the same client type, and it helps you to create a different account in your device. Thank you guys, and keep supporting our channel so we can upload daily informative and knowledgeable content for you guys.